What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we are welcoming a new member to my barbecue arsenal. Today we are welcoming the Monument Mesa 400 gas grill. I've never had a gas grill before. My dad had a gas grill when I was a kid at one point in time, but gas grills back then are not what they are today. That little gas grill my dad had, I think it had one burner that ran across the middle, and it just didn't produce the best food. This is all stainless, 4 burners rolling across there so that you can get a awesome crust, an awesome cook, high temps. Really excited to get into using this, but the purpose of this video today is we're just doing the burn off, and according to the owner's manual, it only takes a few minutes. They say 3 to 5. We're going to do somewhere closer to 8 or 9. Just to get all of the residue, oils, things like that that might be left on the cooker from the manufacturing process. It's a really simple thing to do. If you came to watch this video to learn how to do it, I'm going to explain it to you really quickly. All you've got to do is turn your gas on, which I've already done. Then open up your door. And now when I say turn the gas on, I mean at the tank. Do not turn your burners on until you have opened up your lid. And then it's a simple matter of turning one on, giving it a click, it's going to light up, and then we'll turn all the other ones on and click, click, clickaroo. They light up really quickly. After you've got that going, you just simply shut the door. Once your door is shut, you're looking, like I said, if you want to just go straight by the owner's manual, it's very simple, 3 to 5 minutes. I want to make sure and be extra thorough, so we're going to go 5 to 10, probably closer to that 8-9 minute mark. But we'll see y'all here in just a little while when we finish it up. All right, so it's been about 8 minutes, and let me tell you something, this thing has gotten hot. We are approaching 600 degrees, so if you have any sort of ideas about offset cooking, fast cooking, getting your grates super hot to get a great sear on your steak, it's gonna be no problem with this thing, 600 degrees, get done just about whatever it is that you wanna get done. All we gotta do now is just turn this puppy off, and you're done sanitizing and getting all of the leftover chemicals and things, residues that might be left over from the manufacturing process are all now burnt off and ready to go, and you're ready to do your first cook on your Monument grill, which I know I am, which is gonna be a steak, which is gonna be a video that's coming out really soon after this one. So y'all make sure, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for me to help the YouTube algorithms know that American Smoke's where it's at. Appreciate everybody watching. Thank you so much. Come over to American Smoke Carnivores on Facebook. I'm in there every day. I'll see y'all in there. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see you in the next video.